Good morning, dear hearts. Okay, I am not a body. I am free, for I am still as God created me. Today's lesson that we are in review for is It Can Be But My Gratitude I Earn. This lesson is a very obvious continuation from yesterday's lesson and tomorrow's lesson as well. The three of them blend in to be a very mighty trio, but we will get to that tomorrow with tomorrow's lesson. But for now, it can be but my gratitude I earn. Remember, it can be but myself I crucify. When I cease to mistreat myself, I am going to be grateful. I'm going to be happy. I'm going to realize the shift that I have made in my mind and my awareness. Now, who could be more grateful than myself for when I cease to mistreat myself? So it can be but my gratitude I earn. However, the world also is thankful. Now, if we go back to the actual lesson that we are reviewing, 197, there's a couple of lines, and I think this helps to make it all clearer. It says, the world must thank you when you offer it release from your illusions. Yet your thanks belong to you as well, for its release, the world's release, can only mirror yours. Remember that everything we give, we receive. So as I give salvation to the world, as I release the world from my illusions, the world is grateful, but so am I. And with the world, we're going to define that as the rest of the sonship. The rest of the sonship is lifted when I stop projecting my fear onto it. So as I cease to mistreat the world, my brother, the entire sonship, now I will receive that gratitude. It's what I am receiving, what I have already given. But very often we have to give in order to realize that we have indeed received. You recognize that you are healed when you give healing. We recognize accomplishment in ourself, forgiveness in ourself when we forgive. It is often in the giving that we know of the receiving. So it can be but my gratitude that I earn when I give gratitude to everyone and everything. And this occurs when I have the realization that I am not the body. The body will not willingly, because it's being guided by the ego, will not willingly give the gratitude to others because it believes that if it gives, it loses. But when I know I'm not a body, when I know that I am still as God created me, then I am very willing, I am anxious, I am ready. I am ready to extend love and healing. And as I do that, I am giving salvation to the world. Salvation of the world depends on me, depends on the shift in my mind in order to give. And in doing that, I receive it. So it is, again, my gratitude that I earn. The lesson in the italics today, the review says, who should give thanks for my salvation but myself? And how but through salvation can I find the self, big S self, to whom my thanks are due? So I discover or rediscover or remember or rejoin that self, my true self, when I extend love, gratefulness, gratitude, peace, joy, laughter to others and receive it back. And I am only truly able to do that with the realization that I am spirit. That's my reality. I am not a body because I am still. I continue to be in that stillness of creation that came from God and that is my true self. So that's it for today. I hope it helped. I hope it was understandable. I hope it was uplifting. And I hope that you like this video, that you share this video, that you send this to others, and they will subscribe to this channel, and that you will be here tomorrow for the third in what I see is a very clear triad. So have a beautiful day. Namaste.